talking about it, and my dog comes out, and he's the little baby.
Don't talk about my
This guy's scared.
baby.
Go ahead. All right, let's take it apart. All right, today we're gonna bring a long bench and I'm gonna show you guys how to set it up. So let's go ahead and set it up. So the way it works, you got this handle here. You split it open, all right? Split it open. Make sure it locks in, that you can't close it. There's a lock mechanism right there. All you gotta do is bring the feet up, make sure this goes all the way down. The center has to be center. Now when I got it, it was a little stuck. So just make sure you get it there. And make sure that the brace go all the way to the bottom and you're set to go. Now this is very durable. Don't try this at home. Very strong. Hope you guys liked the video.